Hey, what's going on? Just me coming to you with another little song for you. Without further ado, this is what I do. It's all your friends may say that I'm too young for you. Yes, they do. But baby, age ain't nothing, 'cause I know what to do. I'll be your friend, and when you're all alone, I'll talk to you all night till we fall asleep on the phone. So baby, quit playing games. You know I'm feeling you. You know you got it that way, girl. Let me know if you want me to treat you to a picture show. Please don't say no tonight before I take you home. What's your name, man? Will I be the only one that you be claiming? Oh, girl, what's your name, man? Will I be the only one that you be claiming? Oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You see, Alicia had me thinking she was the only one for me. And not long when you came walking in my life, you really blew my mind. Now I don't care about those other girls. It's only you I need in my world. Baby, excuse me, my cutie. Could you be the kind of girl just for me? My everlasting meant to be. Oh girl, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.